Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make this really simple fish braid, and all you need is 3 colours and an S hook. You can use a fork, a hook, or you can use your rainbow loom. I'm going to be using this hook today, and these are my 3 colours. Here is your fish braid. Okay, my first colour is going to be pink, and we're going to start like that. You can see it, check from the back and the sides. Should be twisted in the middle. Okay, my second colour is this striped pink here. And we're going to do the exact same. So we've got 2 on so far. That's what it looks like. Okay, my third colour, my third and final colour is the white. And we're going to start like that. So now we need to grab a hook. So I've got my hook here, and I just want to twist it so it's on the hook side, and then you want to grab it sort of like that, and then you just want to loop it like that, and the same on the other side. Just loop it like that, and that's where you'll put your S hook. And it will start to form a little bit of the fish braid. Okay, now we have to go back to our starting colour. As I said, mine is pink, so I will do the pink. Now I use my hook, and I just loop over just like so. And then just got to pull it. There we go, it's starting. Okay, now I need to do this another stripy pink, and this pattern and the thing will just keep starting, and it will repeat over and over and over again until it eventually gets long enough like this to fit your wrist. So here we go. So that's how I've started it off. Okay, now all I need to do is my white, and all this is just putting 3 on, and then you loop the bottom one and just put 1 more on each time until it eventually gets big enough to fit your wrist. My other pink band. You can do this with any colour. I'm just using the combination of pink because that's my favourite colour. You can start to see the fish braid now. And you don't have to use your fingers, but I'm using like sort of both. And the fork is a lot harder because you just have to use 2 and they're very close together, trust me. Now my white. And you don't have to use 3 different colours, you can use the same colour, you can use any one you want, it's your choice. I'm just using these colours because it's easier for me to remember. and you don't have to twist the top one, but it turns out a lot better if you do. And it does take quite a while to make this, so I'm going to repeat the same thing over and over again until it eventually fits my wrist. We keep looping that bottom one. You don't want the hook to be facing this way when you do it, you want it to be facing that way. And you especially don't want to use that side on your hook. You want to keep it on the sharp side so it will work. There we go. You can start to see my pattern there. Hopefully that's starting to look quite easy, so I don't have to keep showing you over and over again. I'll show you for at least 2 more minutes and then I'm going to go off on myself. So here's this part here. This part here is for, that part there is for the S hook, and you just stretch that bit out there so it can fit the S hook. Now I've got my pink. Check it on the sides and on the back. Have a look on the front. It will start to look the same on all sides. Okay. Now I have to do my striped pink. Pull it down. So that's about a ring size now. You just want to keep making it until it will fit your wrist. So I've started to have my pattern of pink and white. It's starting to form a bracelet. Got my pink. I'm using soft bands because it's easier to make your bracelet, because when you use the really tough bands, for example, like this one, it doesn't really work that well. So now I need to loop this like that. There we go. Starting to form the fishtail now. Okay, now you need to go back to your middle colour. That is if you're using 3 colours. And all this is just repeating the same thing over and over again until it eventually fits your wrist. I'm not going to give you much instructions anymore. I'm just going to continue this bracelet and you just watch if you still don't know how to do it. I'll go nice and slow for you. It's getting very long now, soon it will fit your wrist. Okay, so here we go. It's starting to form the bracelet. Here we go. I'll be back in a second to catch up if you're a bit behind. Won't take long. Okay, so this is the bracelet. It's nearly a wrist size. So now I need to go back to my striped pink. Got my striped pink here. Like that. And the bracelet will start to get very long, but at the moment it's not that long, and it's because I'm trying to teach you get the combination of your pattern right. It's okay now if you're not doing a pattern, but it's better when you do a pattern because it lets your bracelet really show. Okay, here we go. Like that. Push down. It's starting to get quite long. Just grab some more white because I'm running out of white. In a fishtail, there is no limit to bands because it's supposed to fit your wrist. In some bracelets, there's limits to bands because of how big the bracelet is, but in the fishtail and a chain, there is no limit. So you can make them as long as you possibly can. But I'm just making a bracelet today. In some of my other videos, there will be limits to bands and all that, but in these couple of ones, there won't be limits. Okay, there's my wonderful fishtail bracelet from start to finish. Okay, for a little fancy bit, after I put my S hook on, doesn't have to be an S hook. It can be a C hook. It can be any hook, but it has to be able to hook onto this. So just hook it on like this. Ooh. Okay, there's our simple bracelet. Okay. So here we've got our really pretty fishtail bracelet. Now I'm going to put, you don't have to do this, but I'm going to do it. So I just need another colour loom band, which is going to be a purple. And I'm going to grab this hook here. As I said, you don't have to do this. And I'm going to twist it twice. Like that. And just play with it with your thumbs. Make sure, and then you can just take it off. And then, like that, just chuck it on the S hook side first. Don't put it on the loom band side first, then I'm warning you. Just try and get it to the middle. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to do this up like this. So, remember that part where I told you to stretch out? Okay, we've got the S hook and they're just going to clip into each other like that. And there we've got our really simple and pretty fishtail bracelet. My video is